Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Wix affiliate website. So let's get started. So for this right here, I am on the Wix websites right here wherein I can see all the sites that I have created in the past. Now what we need to click on is this create new site right here. And then this will load and open a new window right here that will ask me some questions in order to properly build my website. So in here, you can integrate AI in order to create your website, but I will just set up without AI. And then doing that will actually redirect me to this one, wherein this will ask me what kind of website I am creating. So for me, I'll just search for affiliate marketing. So in here, you can see affiliate marketing portfolio. So just click on that. Click on next right here. Then after that, it will ask you what you want to call your website. So I will opt for a tech website that is affiliate for softwares and anything. So for this one, I will just search for Amazon Tech, for example. And then in here, I will name that my site. Click on next after that. And then from there, it will ask me what I want to add to my website. So I can add portfolio that is a built and integrated. I can also add blog, Instagram feed, and all of that. But for me, I will also add this right here. Totally depends on you what you want to add. For me, I'll want to add these forms. Click on next after that. Then once I have done that, it will ask me if I want to start designing my site from a template, or I can also get a custom build site that Wix creates for me. So for this one right here, I'll just choose the second option, which is get a custom build site. I will just click on that. And then in here, this will load and this will actually create the site for me in just a few minutes. So we can actually just wait for the Wix website editor to create us a site. But first, we need to input our details like the logo, the email address, and all of this right here. But if you don't want to put that, you can skip that. But I recommend you to put that right here. So for me, I will just skip that for now since it's just a tutorial. But I recommend you to click that. So for this, I will choose this one since this integrates the most with tech. Click on next after that. And once you have done that, this will direct us on another web page of Wix. So in here, this will load in here and this will prepare the homepage designs that they have for us. So let's just wait for Wix right here to finish creating our website for us. So as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. We have the name right here and all of this. So what we can do is we can actually edit everything. So let's click on pages and menu. And let's first edit every page on our menu. So we only have home page and the contact page. So we need to add a new page that will contain our Amazon links. So let's click on add page right here. And then this will ask us what kind of page we want. So it totally depends on you what you want. But for me, I'll just choose a random one that is actually the same format as my current one. So for this one, I'll just choose this about us and click on add page. Don't worry because I can still edit everything. I can change the about us into affiliate links that I can add later on. So in here, it will add the page and then let's name it programs or products as well, products. And click on done. Once it's been added, it will look like this. Here's the about us page. You can still edit that by just clicking on this text right here. So we can actually click on edit text. And this will open the text settings wherein we can edit the style, the fonts, and everything. So let's name it products right here. Once we have done that, we can actually add in few things. Like if you want to remove this one, this images, you can actually remove that by clicking on the image and clicking on the delete. So let me just remove that because I will soon add in here the Amazon affiliate links. Next thing we need to do is we just need to click on this add apps right here, and then this will open the Wix app market. Once we have done that, we can see in here the app market. Just search in here for Amazon. And then in here, it will show you the results for Amazon. Just choose this one. And then from in there, just click on this add to site. And then this will open this Google Chrome extension, but this will actually direct you in here. And then in here, you should be able to see the images that's integrated in here. So these are just the default images. This not yet the image or the products that you will display to your product page. So in here, you can actually just resize or move that in order to fit what you need. So for this one, click on settings. Once you have clicked on that, it will open this Amazon main page wherein you can add items or connect your affiliate link. So you can click on this connect account right here in order to connect your account. But if you want to add an item, you can also just click on this add items right here and then search by name, URL, or ASIN. So for example, you can search in here for mug. And then in here, it will show you the top 10 results. So just choose the one that you're affiliated with. Click on that, click on save. And then from in there, as you can see, it has been added. So let's add a few first. So let's search as well for notebook. Make sure that you're affiliated with those links as well. Make sure also that you're logged into your affiliate link. So let me just click on this one and this one as well. Click on save. Now that we have saved that, we have now 3 items on our affiliate product. And once we close this one, we can see that this right here has been replaced by this one. We have here the images of those products, the name of those products, and we can also see the price right here. So you can actually edit that by clicking on the settings. If you want to add a new product or remove a new product, you can also edit the settings, which is the items per row, the time and size, the price and prime, as well as the button language, as well as the design. You can change the design right here. You can change the color if you want, just like this. But it depends on you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create a website for Amazon Wix affiliate marketing. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.